The Bags and Bows magazine. Man, do they have a lot of cool designs in their gift wrapping. I just ripped out a couple pieces of that magazine that had all of these neat little bows on their gift boxes. And I thought, man, wouldn't that be awesome? Just cut these out and pick whatever design that you like. And for me, since I'm using a heart-shaped hole punch, I'm having to cut a little bit off the bottom of this particular gift box so that I can fit it down into my 1-inch heart hole punch. And then look at this. I can just maneuver this however I want the picture to show up, the little bow and the design, however I want that to happen, as long as I can get it into my window here of my hole punch, and then just punch it out. And look, I have now punched that out, and it is so cute. I will be able to put that into my little windows resin. That's the heart-shaped hole punch, actually fits the resin mold. Several different options I've got. You know, I can use the glitter backing if I want to do that with the layering of my glitter resin layer. Or I can use Pearl X powder. You can also use the Little Windows color film. This is the film, and see, it's just like a little transparency. You can layer them, cut them out with your hole punch. The color does not bleed through your resin. You can mix and match the shades, lay the transparency film on top of each other to make other colors, and that's how you can make a colorful backing without having to do like a glitter resin or a Pearl X resin, you know, with the powder or whatnot. So there's all sorts of options here, and I'm just going to town, cutting out all of my little shapes. As you can see here, I've got multiple patterns, endless possibilities here. This will make great little pendants or earrings or charms, magnets, heart-shaped magnets, and I'm going to do that. But be on the lookout in your magazines for any kind of design that really catches your eye, and anything that you think would make a good centerpiece, like, you know, anything that's got the bows here like this gift wrap does. And then have fun. Kisses and hugs and little ladybugs. Have a sparkle-tastic day, everyone. Bye!